Hello, everyone. I'm just going to walk you through a simple flow of connecting a Shopify store to BimpeAI agent. So, as you know, BimpeAI is an agent builder. We're pioneering agentic commerce. We're helping customers like businesses, small businesses, and mid-market businesses, especially in retail, helping them sell on WhatsApp, Instagram, and also through phone calls and also through SDKs. So now I'm going to show you a new workflow that we just integrated with Shopify. So once you come to your store, what you first do is like you could have created the agent Mr. Guild AI store. I come to this workflow. What I go do is that I go to pick a retail store so that the agent can have workflow of a retail store. So what does it know? Knows product search, stock search, size guide. It also has a flow of browsing information and all of that. I need to have a data source that connects to the product catalog, inventory system, and pricing engine. So I just use this workflow and connect it. Once I've used this workflow, it's already connected. So I can see the system prompt here. I can just change this to you are the Mr. Guild retail store, and it picks all of that information and I save it here. So you can see the flows are already here. I can also add more flows to it. Then actions because I've not connected anything. So what do? I go to the integration and pick on Shopify. So what do I need to do? I only need the link of the store. I don't need to do any extra integration. So this is my store. This is my favorite suit store. This is where I get out of my most of my suits from. And I just copy their link here and I come back to the agent builder. I paste the link here and that's it. And let's see, it's already connected. Let me test to see if it's working. It's working. Let's go to discover and see what it can do. Let's see the show tools. You see all of this information are already enabled. So this is already connected. There are other things I can connect. I can connect an MCP server. It's an MCP integration. That's why it's here. I can connect custom API. But let's go back to the digital playground and play with it. I would say I need a suit under 200 pounds that's black, and let's see what it's going to show. So it's going to go into the store and do a search, a product search, to find a suit that's under 200 pounds that's black. So this is the beauty of LLM. This is the beauty of AI agent. It's going into the store, thinking, going to pick information and bringing it back that information. And you see, it brings the pictures, it brings everything here. These are the colors that it's able to bring. This 179 pounds. I can add to cart, I can do all of that. But this is not what I want to show. This is just a digital playground to test if it works. So now I want to deploy this to WhatsApp. Right? What do? I don't want to connect to WhatsApp yet. What I want to do is I want to generate a code and deploy it to a test WhatsApp. So I want to test this on WhatsApp. So this is what the code is. So what do? I go to, I click here and I do test on WhatsApp, and let's open the WhatsApp and let's see. This is my WhatsApp account. I just say start and let's see. Yeah, so it's a switch to Mr. Guild AI store. So anything I do here is anything I can do on the digital playground. So this is how the chat I've had in the past. So I'll just go, I'm looking for a wedding suit, or let me switch this to a wedding tux, and let's see if the agent has that kind of understanding of what a tux is. And let's see, the suggestion is coming, giving me more suggestions like what it's going to bring. So it's going into the store to think about talks, and it's going to give me back the response. And this is something I can deploy to Instagram, I can deploy to Messenger, I can deploy to voice, I can deploy to a web chat if you want to have a live chat UI, right? So it's giving me different suggestion, and I can see the price. So I can say I want number two, and I also, no, let me just say I want number two for now. So it's going to automatically add number two to my cart while in the chat. I'm not on their website, I'm in the chat, right? I can click on any of this link to see the picture. Coming soon, where you're going to be able to see the picture in WhatsApp and in Instagram and in Messenger. So any of your customers that is deploying, that is chatting, that wants to understand, that want to get an order, they don't need to go to the website to do that. They can get all of the order, get all of the information right there. So it's already giving me the description. This is a latte brown 3-piece suit. It has different sizes, and I can read more to understand. Would you like to proceed with medium? Because I already told you that I want medium. I would say yes, I want size 42 medium. So the beauty of this is that you're able to do long tail search, long tail keyword. So you can ask specific request of what you want. You don't need to say, oh, I want suit, just a generic request. It can be personalized to what you want. You can say, I need a suit for a ball party, or I need a suit for a gala, right? You say, I've added the Dior Smith suit in size 42 to your cart, and this is the price. Have you found everything you need, or would you like to add additional items? So the beauty of this is that the AI is able to prompt the customer. It can talk to the customer at every time. It can engage the customer. It can, if a customer should leave something on their cart, the AI can like prompt them to say, oh, there's still something in your cart. And you can see, I can just say, I want a tie as well with vintage vibe. This is just like me having a conversation with an AI agent, right? Then it's going to give me a suggestion of ties with vintage vibe, right? And like I said, on this part, for example, the digital playground, if I just type the same thing, let's copy the same thing here. You'd see that this is going to come in, give me suggestion with pictures. Right, we're working on the WhatsApp one. We'll be able to give more suggestions with pictures very soon in the next update. So I can say add the Vatican City tie to my cart, and let's see. Once it's added to my cart, it gives me the full price of what I'm looking for. So you can see these are the suggestion: Ankara, Vatican City, and there are pictures here. So now once it's giving me the full checkout, then I can just click on this link to go check out and see what it looks like, and that's it. And it gave me checkout, and I can just check out with I can just pay and check out, and that's how I get to like pay. So this is the agentic commerce use case. We have more use cases for restaurant, for Google Calendar. You can add Stripe to have a native payment if you don't want to go to Shopify, or add Paystack. Very soon we're coming with Square, we're coming with Lightspeed and other restaurant use cases, as well as intercom customer service use cases. So I want you to like go to the digital playground or go to the workflow, build a workflow for yourself. You can build a workflow for yourself here from the prompt, or just build a workflow for yourself. These are small businesses use cases that you can deploy AI agent into as fast as possible. Thank you.